Hi friends, welcome back. As you can see, I'm taking you to some Bollywood kind of location which is actually a tulip farm. Join me and enjoy. अगर आप मुझे Instagram पे follow करते हैं then you will know that we have just got a new car. But before buying that car, we were practicing through some rented cars in nearby location. ये हमारा पहला long distance road trip था which was around 85 kilometers from Surrey in a place called as Chilliwack. Chilliwack is famous for its beauty, lakes, mountain riding, and also annual tulip festival. और ड्राइविंग के टाइम यहाँ के नज़ारे मुझे स्विट्ज़रलैंड की याद दिला रहे थे. As you can see, the road trip to Chilliwack is very scenic. हम लोग आराम से ड्राइव करते हुए अराउंड 1.5 hours में Chilliwack Farms पहुँच गए. पैंडेमिक के रूल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रिक्ट थे. वी हैड टू डू ऑनलाइन बुकिंग एंड वी वर गिवन सर्टेन टाइम स्लॉट इन विच ओनली फ्यू पीपल्स वर अलाउड टू एंटर द फार्म. We were very excited to have this experience and there were strict rules to be followed for which we were totally prepared.
Sure.
There's hand sanitizers at each photo op, and our store's also open with fresh cut flowers.
Small farm shop for souvenirs. The best part is these snowy mountains and इधर है पूरा ट्यूलिप गार्डन. फार्म वाली फील. एक ट्रैक्टर भी है. तो छोटा सा फार्म है और यहाँ पर ये वॉशरूम फैसिलिटीज़ हैं. मास्क इम्पॉर्टेंट है, फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग, हैंड सैनिटाइज़र एंड वेटिंग. बट बिकॉज आज सेकेंड डे है, इतने लोग आए नहीं हैं यहाँ पे. वेदर इज़ सनी, 18 degrees. इट इज़ वेरी विंडी, सो जैकेट अच्छा मैं लेके आई थी. These flowers are very protected because they have written that they are very susceptible to diseases. So they have put the ropes here. But tulips के आगे वहाँ पे ropes नहीं है. और ये आ गया है एक छोटा सा झूला. So tempting. मैं अवॉइड कर रही हूँ पैंडेमिक की वजह से, बट मन तो बहुत हो रहा है इसमें बैठने. मेरे पहुंचने तक बिजी हो गई है. तो अगर कोई फ़ोटोग्राफी कर रहा है तो बेटर है कि आप वेट करें. पैंडेमिक के अंदर रूल नंबर 1, स्टे एंड मेंटेन सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग. I am just showing you a church here and beautiful snow-capped mountain, followed by a small area where you can have your lunch. So overall this field was complete in itself to explore. Hyacinth rose देखने के बाद it was time to reach beautiful tulip rose. And finally we reach this beautiful red and white rows of tulip bulbs. If you come here in the morning, the scene will be little different. We were here during afternoon. Enjoy the red tulip farms. कुछ पुराने बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स याद आ रहे थे एंड दिस प्लेस वाज रिमाइंडिंग मी ऑफ हॉलैंड ऑल्सो. As I visited Amsterdam but I missed the tulip fields and finally I could have this experience here. This place is famous for displaying around 30 varieties of tulips and overall around 6.5 million flowers. It depends on which season do you visit and time of the month. During my time I could see red flowers and white and pink flowers. Over a period of next few months, these will change and there will be different experience. लेकिन pandemic की वजह से they had to wrap up this much earlier than they planned. I was lucky to have visited it during initial time when this was open for public.
बट सरसों की खेत नहीं है.
There is more. The team here was excited because in 2020 this festival did not take place and 21 was a short window. After our time slot got finished, we reached the farm shop for some souvenir shopping.
This is a souvenir shop. I think we'll pick up something. Fridge magnet. These are the fridge magnets. हमारे घर पे बहुत ढेर सारे हैं. And some tulips.
Which I used to collect so many of
Yeah,
these.
from Holland. This
I
is
didn't know
straight from
what
the
to do.
Hollands. And then we have some vodka shots. Look at this.
तो ये souvenir shop में सारे आइटम्स हैं. बहुत सारे souvenirs मैं पहले कलेक्ट करती थी बट जब इंडिया से वापस यहाँ आना पड़ा तो सारे souvenirs का मैं क्या ही
Picked up two
बताऊँ.
ice cream.
Alright, I wanna have.
One cone and one chocolate.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
Tilly tulip.
Tulip doll is
Tilly
there.
tulip doll. It's a tulip doll.
Just taking price. खाने के लिए यहाँ पे कुछ खास मिलेगा नहीं. But yeah, you can have fries and everything. After souvenirs, it was time for eating lunch. हाँ जी, खाने का क्या सीन है?
Some doner kebabs. मैंने fries order किया है. They have roast lamb wrap and roast chicken wrap. They also vegetarian one if you want.
Wrap. What are you having?
Just order for fries.
अभी
We'll
One
eat
with
some-
fries,
we'll
one
eat
with
at
no
somewhere
spice.
else.
तो आपको यहाँ पे फ्राइज मिल रहे हैं $5 के. तो 3 है $10 का.
And there's a donor cooking as well. Wrap. So I think fries के ऊपर they have some kind of meat और उसके ऊपर sliced onions and some sauces and sauté onions and all. There's some kind of gravy on top of it. वो बहुत tempting लग रहा था but ऑलरेडी
And just like this, the day was getting over and it was time to go back. ये नहीं, अभी इनका हाई सीजन है तभी ये यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले में. टाइम आ गया था वापस जाने का. इफ यू आर लकी टू हैव दिस एक्सपीरियंस नेक्स्ट ईयर देन आई हैव सम टिप्स दैट यू हैव टू चेक द वेदर forecast before you go. It got very windy for us and luckily we were carrying a jacket to manage this entire experience. बहुत न्यूजीलैंड से रिमाइंड हुआ मुझे. I'd come back here for other adventure activities in this place including hiking, rock climbing, horse riding and even kayaking. But till then, thank you for joining me in this adventure. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to support. We have traveled 85 kilometers, around 1.5 hours it will take for us to reach back.
It was about 1:45 while coming. और अगर जल्दी जाएंगे हम थोड़ा स्लोली ड्राइव कर रहे हैं.
Almost done.
Should we go now?
Yes.
Okay.